Do you know what happens to the trash we throw away? Let's take a moment to follow the journey of our trash. Once it's thrown away, our trash may take one of three routes. It might end up in a landfill, a place where trash is dumped and left to decay over many, many years. Or it could end up in an incinerator where it's burned, producing harmful gases that contribute to air pollution. Then there's the third option, which is a recycling plant. Here, the trash is sorted and processed to be used again. Unfortunately, not all of our trash makes it to these recycling plants. The majority of it ends up in landfills or incinerators, which are not so good for our beautiful planet. So we find ourselves asking, is there a better way? A way to reduce the harm we're causing to our environment? And the answer is, yes, indeed there is. But did you know there is a better way to deal with trash? It's called recycling. So, what exactly is recycling? Well, it's like a magic trick where we turn old stuff into new stuff. Imagine you've just finished a delicious soda and you're left with an empty bottle. Instead of throwing it into the trash, you toss it into a recycling bin. Here's where the magic starts. First, the recyclable materials like your soda bottle are separated from other trash. Imagine a giant magnet pulling out all the metal or a gust of wind blowing away the paper. This is done by machines at a recycling center. After that, these materials are cleaned. Your soda bottle gets a good scrub to make sure it's spotless. It's like when you take a bath after playing outside all day. Next, the clean materials are melted or crushed. Picture your soda bottle getting squished flat or melted down like an ice cream on a hot summer day. This process transforms the materials into a form that can be used to create new products. Finally, your squished or melted soda bottle could be turned into a brand new product. It could become part of a park bench, a new pair of shoes, or even another soda bottle. So you see, recycling gives trash a new life and helps us reduce the amount of waste we produce. With recycling, we're not just throwing things away, we're giving them a chance to be something new and useful again. Now, why should we recycle? Well, let's imagine a world where everyone recycles. This world would be a place where resources are saved, pollution is reduced, and wildlife is protected. Sounds pretty good, right? That's because recycling is not just about getting rid of trash, it's about creating a better world for us and for future generations. When we recycle, we save resources. Instead of making new items from scratch, we can use materials that have already been used. This means we don't use up as much of the Earth's precious resources like trees and minerals. It's like giving our planet a little breather. Recycling also helps to reduce pollution. When we throw away items like plastic, they can end up in the ocean or in landfills where they release harmful chemicals. But when we recycle, we help to keep these items out of the environment. We're giving the Earth a helping hand. And let's not forget about our amazing wildlife. Animals, birds, and fish can be harmed by the trash we throw away. By recycling, we help to protect these creatures and their homes. We're standing up for our fellow Earth dwellers. In the end, recycling is a way for us to show we care. We care about our planet, our resources, our wildlife, and our future. So, recycling is not just about dealing with trash, it's about taking care of our planet and making it a better place for everyone. You might be wondering, how can I help with recycling? Well, there are plenty of ways you can join in. One of the easiest steps is to separate your recyclable materials from other trash. This means putting things like paper, plastic, and cans into a special recycling bin instead of the regular trash can. You can also help by choosing products made from recycled materials. Next time you go shopping, look out for items with a recycling symbol on the packaging. This shows that the item was made using materials that have been recycled. And don't forget, you can also spread the word about the importance of recycling. Share what you've learned with your friends, family, and teachers. You could even start a recycling program at your school. Remember, every little bit helps. Together we can make a big difference.